To create the movie credits text scrolling effect in Capcut, first we are going to add a default text right here. Just click on it and drag it into the timeline. Then type in or insert the text you want to be displayed as your credits in the end of the movie. Select the font you want and also change the font size if necessary. You can also change the color, but white is very common to use in this case. So adjust it to your needs and then scroll down until you see transform right here. You can also use this scale slider to make it bigger or smaller. And here you have X, Y and the rotation position. We are going to change this position just by dragging it so it's easier, and then put the cursor line right into the beginning of this text element. We need to click on this small diamond icon, which is called keyframe. This way we are saving the first position for X, Y, rotation and scale. You can see that this diamond turns blue, and you can also see right inside your text element in the beginning there's also a small diamond right now. Now all we need to do is changing the position of this cursor line to the end of the text element, and then we are going to drag this text box right on top out of the frame. You can see that after every change, like changing the text box, the keyframe is set automatically now. And if you play it, you can see that the scrolling effect is already happening. It's quite fast, so if you want to make it slower, just expand the text element, click on the small diamond icon which marks the end of the text position, and drag it also to the end of the text element which is expanded now. This way it's going to be slower. And that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.